Hello, thank you for taking the time to review my Cred Portfolio. I have two assignments that I have uploaded into my Cred Portfolio, which are available to view under assignments. The first is from my psychology course, and it meets the institutional outcome of describe the primary components of human resources and organizations and integrate those components in the decision-making process. I took the Big Five personality assessment, and it allowed me to understand a little bit more about myself by providing answers that were honest and open. My number one trait was openness, which was followed closely by agreeableness. You'll be able to view the whole assessment online, which I'm kind of scrolling through right now for you. But again, this is accessible under assignments. This helped me to understand a little bit more about myself and make sure that I was on the right path in entering the human resources field. I wish this assessment would have been given to me when I was in high school. It would have cut out a lot of the processes that it took to get me to this point in my life. The second assessment was actually for my employment law class. Employment law is a very big portion of human resources because you have to be able to understand the processes that are required, understand labor organizations, how they play into the working environment. They can be both good and bad depending on the environment. So this one allowed me to meet the institutional outcome of apply employment law to human resource components. This particular assessment I scored a perfect score on, which showed my understanding of union campaigns and ways that we can create different routes of addressing them in a manner that not only honors the laws that are set forth, but also allows us to find ways to combat it by motivating employees and making them happier. You can see this here. A lot of the skills that I learned in this class were about how to apply laws and how to understand them and how they fit into the working world. I have a passion for this type of stuff. So it was learning knowledge and learning how to apply the skills through the decision-making process. Again, this is available to view under the Assignments tab in my Cred Portfolio. I'd be open to any questions that you may have, and I will continue to upload assignments into this tab as I progress through my college courses. My anticipated graduation date is May of 2023. Thank you for your time today.